Assalamu alaikum and hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Farwat Kitchen. If you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing by hitting the bell, the red button below written subscribe, and also do not forget to hit the notification bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. In this video I will show you how to make soft layered chapatis. So the ingredients are 3 cups of all-purpose flour, salt to taste, around 2 teaspoons of salt, and around 2 tablespoons of ghee. But first, we are going to melt this ghee. So first, start by adding the salt to the flour and mix well. And then add the melted ghee, but make sure the ghee is hot. So you will add the hot melted ghee and mix well. And you can start by mixing the flour with the spoon because the ghee is still hot. And then later continue with your hand. So you will continue mixing to get rid of the lumps. As you can see, there are some lumps that have been formed as a result of adding the melted ghee. And then you will sift the flour to get rid of all the lumps formed as a result of adding the melted ghee. And after sifting, transfer the flour back into the bowl which you're going to knead the dough in it. As you can see, the flour is very fine, it has no lumps. Now start adding water gradually, and this water is at room temperature. It's neither cold nor hot. So you'll keep on adding water little by little as you keep on mixing the flour. Keep on kneading the dough until it is soft and well kneaded. As you can see, the dough is ready. Now cover it up and leave it for around 30 minutes to 1 hour or more. And then knead it again for around 3 minutes. And after that, make 2 balls. As you can see, the dough is very soft. So after kneading it very well, now divide it into 2 doughs. And you can divide the dough into 2 doughs, or you can as well leave it the way it is and roll as it is, depending on the size of your rolling space. And now start rolling one dough at a time. This is the process of making layers. Okay, in Kiswahili it's called kupiga tabaki. So now you'll start making layers. Roll the dough like so. And then apply ghee on top. You can apply ghee or oil. Now roll it and cut it into middle-sized chapati. And there are other methods of making chapati layers. This is just one of them. So you can choose any method that you prefer. But as for me, I prefer this one because it's the one that I'm used to and it's very fast and easy. So you will repeat the process until the dough is over. And after that, you will place your chapatis in a plate. But first dust the plate with some flour so that the chapatis do not stick to the plate. And then keep your chapatis and cover them up and leave them for around 20 minutes to 30 minutes or 1 hour or more. So now we are at the second last step of making chapatis. The last step is cooking these chapatis. So this is the second last step. So you will take each ball and roll it like so. And if your dough was very well kneaded, then you will have an easy time while rolling these chapatis. And after the pan gets heated up, place the chapati and be very keen with the flame because chapatis are not supposed to be cooked with very high flame nor very low flame. So cook them with medium flame. And when the chapati gets a beautiful brown color on one side, flip it to the other side. And then apply ghee on the colored side. And again, after applying ghee, flip it to the other side so that it gets more color. And you can use a spatula to apply pressure on top, or you can also use a kitchen towel to apply pressure so that the chapati gets more color. As you can see, the color is very beautiful. And then again, apply ghee on the other side and flip it again so that it also gets a very beautiful brown color. And after that, the chapatis are ready. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share and comment.